Hello, welcome to Just Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. Today we are looking at division by surds. So we'll be using solving expressions that have surd as the denominator, and how we can solve such kind of problem. So our first example says write with an integer denominator. Now the denominator here is irrational, but we want to make it rational, or make it an integer. So that's very easy to do. So our first example, we have 6 over root 5. Now to make this a rational number, I can multiply it by itself. Okay, when I multiply root 5 by root 5, remember it will give us 5. Okay, so the idea is I multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 5, so that this gives me 6 times root 5 gives me 6 root 5, and root 5 times root 5 gives me 5. Remember, we have established that. Now you see that the denominator is now an integer, or a rational number, right? So the integer here, and the denominator here is now an integer, but 6 cannot be divided, 6 over 5 cannot be simplified, so we can just leave it this way. Okay, so that is that for this question. Let's see the B part, a little bit different. So let's use this part of the board. So we have, for the B part, we have 35 over root 7. So it's still the same thing. All you need to do is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 7. By so doing, we are not causing harm to the problem. So we have root 7. Root 7. Root 7 over root 7 is 1. 1 times this still gives us this. But the idea is just to make the denominator a rational number. So here we have 35 times root 7 is 35 root 7 over root 7 times root 7, as we have established before, is 7. Alright? But we can further reduce this. Now the denominator is an integer. But we can further simplify by saying 7 can divide 35. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. And then we have our root 7. Alright? So that is how you simplify such kind of problem when you are dividing by surds. Alright? In our next video, we'll look at a more complex example. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment. Bye.